Okay. We're going to take it off of this so you can't use that to shoot it. Now, before we load it,
If you hold it like this, it
wait.
goes not going straight.
Before we load it, go ahead and get that up on your shoulder.
Resting it on that.
Good job with your finger. Okay, put your elbow down wherever it's comfortable. Is that comfortable? Okay. Right in there. That's exactly how you get it. You're going to get the bottom part. All right? See the weapon? It's on safe. Flick it to fire. Okay? Alright. Don't be scared of it. I'm not going to hurt you. Make sure. Let's make sure you got a good. Yeah, see? There you go.
That's the box that's mixed.
Now, place your selective lever to fire. Take your finger off the trigger. Take safety off.
I can't reach.
Trash.
Okay. Whenever you're ready. Let off.
Screwdriver, get back.
How it feel?